1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, so that's our Pulgar falseta that we have. This little Pulgar falseta, we really want to work on the bouncing of that thumb that is really powerful. Okay, you really want that bounce instead of going like this. So most people, if you work on that bounce and a really strong bounce of that thumb, it's pretty easy to just do this. If you only do this and you want to all of a sudden be magically powerful and strong and really have that strong thumb work, that's usually not going to happen. You're not going to be able to do that just out of the hat. But if you practice this, you can go and just do real light and easy. Okay? All right. So as far as the Pulgar mechanics, you should have all that. Let me know if you have any questions. I did put links in the development program so you have that ability to watch the quick studies and all that. So anyway, so this Fandangos de Huelva, it starts on beat 1, as I would recommend you count it that way. However, it could be counted as a beat 12 if you wanted. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th one, doing a pull off, going to the C, pull off to B, open A, we do a B, pull off to A, B, and then we're going to hit C, C 3 times, and then open, and then we're going to hit the B flat, G, pull off to F, and then that E. Now here, you can play a regular E major, and you're going to do a downstroke with the thumb, or you can add that flat 9. I would recommend doing a golpe there. I actually didn't notate that, so I would do a golpe with that thumb. And then the most important thing is we go that F pull off, or the G pull off to the F, and then we pick that low E. I do not want you to lift your thumb here, so play this very slow and go. And then do whichever chord you're going to do, but your thumb should already be there. And then do the golpe. So, I think of this as a trap door. My thumb is on, like, it's on a platform, a sturdy platform, and all of a sudden that platform just opens, like that hinge opens. I know my second finger is out like this. It makes you probably draws your attention. You could be thinking I'm doing something with that second finger. I'm not. I'm doing the golpe with my third finger. There you go. All right. So let's play this super slow at 88 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. I messed that up quite a bit. All right, so let's play this faster. 112. All right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you would play your Fandangos de Huelva compás, like your version of the rhythm, right after that. And that's so nice. And play it back and forth. Just keep on going. Make sure you get that bounce in your thumb. Okay? Play very, very aggressively for this. Okay? You want to have that capacity, that ability to play very aggressively and forcefully with your picking hand. And again, you can always quiet it down. But if you do not have that capacity built up, it won't magically appear for you. It's a fitness thing, okay? And accuracy. The louder you play, a lot of times that messes with your movements, and so you won't be able to be accurate when you're not used to it, okay? All right. Have a great day. Enjoy the work. Bye-bye.